This week we will meet Bob. Bob lives with his sister Sal, his dad, and his grandpop. Bob has a pal named Dom and a cat named Dot. What will Bob do? We will have to learn some words and skills before we read, so we can find out what these characters do. First, let's learn some new words that we will see a lot in books and use in our writing. The first word is do. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Do. Do. I do exercises every morning. Say the word again after me. Do. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. D-O. The letter O stands for the long U sound, oo. Repeat after me. D-oo. Do. Now skywrite the word do. D-O. Try to write it without looking. D-O. Are you ready for the next word? The word is live. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Live. Live. I live in an apartment building. Say the word again after me. Live. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. L-I-V-E. In this word, the letter I stands for the short I sound. I. And the E is silent. Blend with me. L-I-V. Live. Now skywrite the word live. L-I-V-E. Try to write it without looking. L-I-V-E. Are you ready for the next word? The word is of. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Of. Of. One of the candles burned out. Say the word again after me. Of. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. O-F. In this word, the letter O stands for the short U sound, and the letter F stands for the V sound. Blend with me. V. Of. Now, skywrite the word of. O-F. Try to write it without looking. O-F. Are you ready for the next word? The word is hour. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Hour. Hour. We gave some tomatoes to our neighbors. Say the word again after me. Hour. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. O-U-R. The letters O-U stand for the ow sound. Blend with me. Ow-er. Hour. Now skywrite the word hour. O-U-R. Try to write it without looking. O-U-R. Are you ready for the next word? The word is wants. Repeat the word after me. Wants. Wants. The baby cries when she wants to eat. Say the word again after me. Wants. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. W-A-N-T-S. In this word, the letter A stands for the short O sound, aw. And the S ending signals a verb in the present tense. Blend with me. W-A-N-T-S. Wants. Now skywrite the word wants. W-A-N-T-S. Now try to write it without looking. W-A-N-T-S. Are you ready for the next word? The word is what? Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. What? What? What are you doing? Say the word again after me. What? Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. W-H-A-T. The letters W-H stand for the W sound. And in this word, the letter A stands for the short U sound. Blend with me. W-A-T. What? Now skywrite the word what. W-H-A-T. Try to write it without looking. W-H-A-T. Are you ready for the next word? The word is with. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. With. With. He went to the movies with his family. Say the word again after me. With. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. W-I-T-H. The letter I stands for the short I sound, I, and the letters T-H stand for the sound, th. Blend with me. W-I-th. With. Now skywrite the word with. W-I-T-H. Try to write it without looking. W-I-T-H. Are you ready for the last word? The word is your. Look at the word. Repeat the word after me. Your. Your. I like your hat. Say the word again after me. Your. Look at the letters in the word. Let's spell it out loud. Y-O-U-R. In this word, the letters O-U stand for the sound oo. Blend with me. Ya, oo, your. Now, skywrite the word your. Y-O-U-R. Try to write it without looking. Y-O-U-R. Now let's read all the new words we learned together, starting on the first line. Do, live, of. Our, wants, what. With, your. Now let's play with the sounds in words. Remember that we can blend sounds or phonemes to say words. I will say the sounds in a word and you will blend them. You can look at the tiles on the screen to help you. Each tile represents one sound in a word. Listen as I do the first one. A, When I blend a, and I say the word name. Are you ready to try? Listen. What's the word? Lip. Okay, let's see if you can blend the sounds to say these words. Den. Hole. Fun. Very good. Now let's play I Spy. I will say the sounds in a word and you will blend them. Then you will find the matching picture and say its number. Ready? I spy with my little eye a k-I-t. What do I spy? Yes, you blended k-I-t to say kite. Very good. What number is kite? Number 1. Excellent. Okay, let's keep playing. I spy with my little eye. W-E-B. What do I spy? Web. You blended w-e-b. What number is web? 3. Very good. I spy with my little eye. It. Mitt. That's correct. Number 5 is mitt. I spy with my little eye. Duck. Correct. Duck is number 2. And I spy with my little eye. Bed. Bed. Correct. Number 4 is bed. Remember, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and each one stands for many sounds. One of the letter O sounds is the short O sound, aw. Octopus begins with aw. The letter O can stand for the sound aw at the beginning or in the middle of a word. Look at the word on. Remember, you have learned that when there is only one vowel in a word and it is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for the short vowel sound. Blend the word with me. Aw, on. I. One of the letter I sound is the short I sound, I. Igloo begins with I. The letter I can stand for the sound I at the beginning or in the middle of a word. Short A as in alligator. One of letter A sounds is the short A sound, ah. Alligator begins with ah. The letter A can stand for the sound ah at the beginning or in the middle of a word. Lion begins with the ul sound. The ul sound can have different spellings. One spelling for the ul sound is just the letter L. Look at the spelling that is circled under the picture of the lion. L. Look at the word. Ul-ah-g. Remember, L is a consonant, O is a vowel, so it can stand for many sounds, and G is also a consonant. When there is only one vowel in a word, and it is followed by a consonant, what sound does the vowel usually stand for? The short vowel sound. Blend the word with me. Ul-ah-g. Log. Horse begins with the h sound. The letter H stands for the h sound at the beginning of horse. Look at the word. H-ah-g. Hog. Remember, H is a consonant, O is a vowel, so it can stand for many sounds, and G is also a consonant. When there is only one vowel in a word and it is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for the short vowel sound. Blend the word with me. H-g. Hog. Now let's blend some words. We're going to blend the letters in line 1 to read a word. The first letter is H. When there is only one vowel and it is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for the short sound. Let's slide over the next letter in line 2 and blend the two sounds. Ah, ha. Now let's blend all the letters together in line 3. Hot, hot. Next, we are going to practice writing some of the letters that are in your spelling words. Get out a piece of paper and get ready.